In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your 1password master password. This is an essential skill to master, especially if you're having trouble remembering your current master password or just want to keep your digital life secure by updating it regularly. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and go directly to the 1password website. This is where you'll manage all your accounts and settings, so it's an important starting point. Once the page loads, you should see an option labeled Login. Click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you may need to enter your email and current password. But don't worry if you can't recall the latter, as we'll be working to reset it. Next, after successful login or if prompted, head over to the 1password home. This page is your dashboard to all things 1password and will provide access to various settings and options. Keep an eye out for the Profile button. It's usually located in the upper right section of the screen. Once you spot it, give it a click. This will direct you to a page that displays your personal information and preferences related to your 1password account. Now that you're in the Profile section, it's time to locate and select the Manage Account option. This is a key step as it brings you to a dedicated hub for account management, where you can modify various security settings and profile details. Before making any changes, ensure your environment is secure. This means avoiding public Wi-Fi networks or shared devices to maintain your account's integrity. After selecting Manage Account, look for a link or button that says Change Password. Clicking on this will take you through the final steps of resetting your master password. Remember, your new master password should be strong yet memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols often works best. Avoid easily guessed passwords like password 123 or your birth date. Once you've decided on a new password, carefully enter it twice, once in each of the provided fields, to confirm that there are no typos. After you've double-checked that everything is correct, finalize your changes by clicking the button to save your new password. It's a good idea to note your new password in a secure place, like a password manager or a physical notebook kept in a safe location, not on a sticky note on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your 1password master password. Remember to keep your password updated regularly to maintain your digital security. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.